I'm Philip with Flip My Bronco, and today I'm going to show you how to take a base model and make it badass. What I put on the Bronco is a 3.5-inch lift from Rough Country, 3.5-inch suspension lift on 37s. These are Landspider rock tracks, mud terrain. And I've also put them on, I've got black Rhino, matte black textured 17-inch wheels. They're Arsenal wheels. So you can see I've got the windows tinted from last video. I've also put on some Rough Country running boards right there. And honestly, it's kind of a hike to get up in there. So real quick, let's talk about the 3.5-inch Rough Country suspension. Now I will show you right here that this suspension and the upper control arms that came with it are pretty beefy. Now obviously I did not do a coil over suspension, but I've got the 3.5-inch suspension lift with the spacers on there on these 37s. I did have to take out the crash bars on there, right there up front, and then back there in the back. Taking out the crash bars, there is absolutely no rubbing. I did have questions from friends. Oh, what about the gears? What about this? Is it slow? Is it sluggish? I'm telling you, with this 2.3 liter 4-cylinder turbo engine, me just driving around town, things like that, I haven't taken it off-road yet. This thing's brand new. So I'm not taking it off-road. I plan to ride some maybe forestry roads. I'm not going to do any crazy rock crawling or anything like that. It's too nice, like it too much, and honestly paid too much to go out and scratch it and bang it up right now. So it moves as fast as I need it to. It is sitting up extremely high. It's awesome. Like, it feels really good hopping up into it. Yes, I do have some limb risers on there. That was more for me and my father-in-law because we like the way that it looks rather than us going out onto the trails and actually needing them. Might be looks, but I think it looks pretty good. So let's kind of go around to the back. So what I've done over here on the back with the camera is that I bought an extra, or I had an extra obviously with it, and I just took a hole saw and cut a hole in the middle because I didn't want to have to do anything to the relocating the backup camera. Just didn't feel like doing it. But this thing's a pretty beefy tire sitting there on the back, and what I got is the Rough Country tailgate support, and I had to get the brake light extension. Let me focus right there. Brake light extension, and then the spacer. All of them are from Rough Country. They're made of steel, they're textured, they're awesome, and it kind of goes along with the black look that I'm going for. But here is the look so far. All right, so what I'm gonna continue to do, plans for the future. I've got some bumpers for the future. I've got front and back bumpers that I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do some mods on the inside, which I'll show you maybe in a later video. I'll tell you maybe some just one or two things about the base that I wasn't excited about, but it can be fixed. So I've got some bumpers coming, got some mods on the inside that may extend to the outside. And I hope, just don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to follow. Smash that like button. Send me comments if you have questions. And thank you for watching. I'm Philip with Flip My Bronco.